Sugo Capital Investors, this is worth the 6-month wait. You can be confident in the Sugo Capital Ashland Green Vertical Integration Advantage, which is at the forefront of transforming properties into vibrant, thriving communities. Central to our proven value-add formula, occupied renovations are complete in just 8 hours. The team of dedicated craftspeople create revitalized living space that defies the imagination of our residents. Let's take a look. Essential to each renovation is our focus on meticulous management at every phase. Our commitment to precision and our pursuit of excellence lay the foundation for best-in-class interior renovations. Our construction team seamlessly transforms living spaces while residents are at work, minimizing disturbances while maximizing the transformative effect for our residents. Residents come home to new cabinets, new stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, quartz or subway tile, backsplash, tub surrounds, lighting package, and more. This partner's track record is unmatched, consistently exceeding the expectations of our residents and revitalizing our communities. In 2022 alone, this partner has renovated over 2,500 units. Our objective goes beyond interior transformation. We aim to craft a place that our residents love and are proud to call home. Would you like to learn more? Explore our website, sugocapital.com.